Let's be honest, your brain is actively trying to keep you poor. Pause, no, I'm serious. Through thousands of years of evolution, your brain has been hardwired to be terrified of risk and obsessed with short-term rewards. It's driven by fear and impulse, which makes it a terrible financial advisor. Our built-in biases, like loss aversion, make the pain of losing money feel way more intense than the pleasure of gaining it, which leads to panicked, awful decisions. This is the story of how you can finally fire that advisor for good. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how a simple automation strategy can be your secret weapon to outsmart your own brain and start building wealth on autopilot. The villain and the weapon. For years, I played by my brain's rules. I'd get my paycheck, feel rich for about a day, spend impulsively, and then swear I'd save whatever was left at the end of the month. Sound familiar? Of course, nothing was ever left. I was trying to use willpower, and willpower is a muscle that gets exhausted. Relying on it to make smart financial choices every single day is a losing game. Then it hit me, the problem wasn't me, it was the game I was playing. I couldn't win by trying harder. I had to change the rules. I had to build a system that would outsmart my own worst instincts. That secret weapon is automation. It's a strategy designed to protect you from yourself. By setting up a simple, automated flow for your money, you make building wealth the default, automatic outcome. You take your flawed, impulsive brain right out of the driver's seat. This isn't about more discipline. It's about designing a system where the right decisions happen without you even thinking about them. This is how you find real financial peace of mind. The battle plan, the three-bucket automation system. So how do we actually do this? We build a battle plan. I call it the three-bucket automation system. Bucket number one, the most important one, is for investing. This is where you truly pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck lands, a piece of it needs to move automatically into your investment accounts before you can touch it. Just set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your retirement or brokerage account for the day after you get paid. You're not just saving, you're systematically building your long-term wealth. This method, known as dollar-cost averaging, actually turns market dips into an advantage. When the market is down, your automatic transfer buys more shares for the same amount of money. It takes the emotion out of investing and stops you from trying to time the market, a game our brains are wired to lose. Bucket number two is for your bills and essentials. This is all about creating stability. You set up a separate checking account just for your fixed costs, rent or mortgage, utilities, car payments, you name it. Figure out the total for your monthly fixed bills and have that exact amount automatically transferred into this account from your paycheck. This one move creates a fortress around your essential payments. You'll never miss a due date or get hit with a late fee again, which not only saves you cash, but also frees up a ton of mental energy. And bucket number three is for guilt-free spending. This is your permission to actually live your life. After your investing and bills buckets are full, whatever is left in your main checking account is yours to spend. No guilt, no stress, no second guessing. This is a brilliant little mind trick because it contains your impulsive side without making you feel like you're on a restrictive budget. When the money in the spend bucket is gone, it's just gone. The system says no for you, proof and overcoming objections. This system creates a financial fortress. Your investing is shielded, your bills are handled, and you know exactly how much you can spend without derailing your future. Now the most common thing I hear is, what if I don't have enough money to split three ways? That's the beauty of this system. It works with any amount. If you can only afford to automate 1% of your income toward investing, start there. The habit is infinitely more important than the amount, especially when you're starting out. The goal is to make saving and investing the default setting, even if it's just a few dollars at a time, and the proof that this works is undeniable. Studies on 401k plans show that when companies automatically enroll employees, participation rates skyrocket. In plans with automatic enrollment, the average participation rate is 91%, compared to just 28% in plans where employees have to sign up on their own. Automation works because it makes the best choice the easiest choice. There's a saying, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. By building this automated machine, you are guaranteeing that your future self is taken care of. No matter what your impulsive brain wants to buy today. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one thing and put it into action this week. Seriously, just one. Open that high-yield savings account and set up a tiny, recurring transfer. Or call HR and have them split your direct deposit. Take that first small step to build your system. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the Financial Mindset for more strategies to build your wealth. And when you're ready for the next step, check out my video on the best low-cost index funds to put inside that new automated investing account of yours. Thanks for watching.